Sawubona Baba Gumede. What would you like to drink? Fruit juice, soda, tea, Milo, hot chocolate, noma coffee?
Hawu itiye nkosazana.
Ceylon tea, herbal tea, bush tea, honey bush tea, iced tea or green tea?
Well hayi yona nylon leyo ilungile.
How would you like it? Black or white?
Elimhlophe ntombazana itiye elimhlophe.
Milk or condensed milk, Baba?
Ubisi.
Goat milk, camel milk or cow milk?
Awu lwenkomo.
Milk from Friesland or Afrikaner cow?
African cow, yeah.
Warm or cold?
Lishisa, warm.
Full cream or low fat or fat free?
Yazi uthi ntombazana lethele iminyama lenjalo.
Okay, Baba. Would you like it with sweetener, sugar or honey, Baba?
Yebo baba, noshukela.
Beet sugar or cane sugar?
Hawu womoba.
White, brown or yellow sugar?
Khohlwa itiyana lakho lelo ngithi, hey, ngeke ngizophuza amanzi, letha amanzi.
Mineral or still water?
Mineral.
Flavored or non-flavored?
Hey, for sec, man. Just get me water from the river. I don't want to know which river. And stop asking me too many questions. Later in commission ngozikhala mina. A toilet. Yes. Igwili ziyahlupha.
Funa imug noma teacup, Baba?